Hey guys, so I had another video planned to go out today, but I decided to change it because I want to rant and yeah, more rant. Men need to understand that women mirror whatever is happening. So if you're bringing in peace, then you're going to get that. If you're bringing in, like, if you want a feminine woman, that is soft and submissive and whatever, then you have to be the masculine man. I want to say masculine, I mean rough and tough and rough. I mean you're protecting, you're providing. You're protecting her mentally, emotionally, physically, all of them. You're doing that. If you're not doing that, you cannot expect submission and for a woman to be feminine with you. Okay, for all the men that didn't know that, I am telling you now, that is how it works. All right, so if your woman miserable all the time, why she's miserable all the time? What are you not doing? What are you not? You can't just be there. Oh, I'm going to work and then I'm coming back home, and you're not supposed to cook and also supposed to clean, and children are well taken care of, and I'm just going to eat my dinner now, watch a nice movie, play some game, go hang out with my guys. And then the woman is supposed to be so nice and gentle, so loving towards you. She's going to work too, then she's coming home too, and she's going to pick up the kids, and she's going to do the cooking and the cleaning and some before you reach home, and then you're going to... No, you're asking for chaos. Okay, you're asking for chaos. So I just wanted to just come and to just talk about this, because I don't think men understand this. And literally how this come up a while ago is I was just on TikTok and I was just listening, to all these people and these men talking, and I'm like, guys, you're not understanding what is happening. You're not. This is why your woman is acting the way she's acting, because you are not doing what you're supposed to do. Like, men are supposed to be the head of the household, right? But then nowadays women are the head of the household, because the man them not do what them supposed to do. So naturally we have to step up now to be the head when we're not supposed to be the head, right? That's not, we're not supposed to be the head. You're supposed to be the head, and we just there be the neck and just go and turn you. But men, you need to step up, right? You're doing the bare minimum, you're doing mediocre thing. You can't expect a woman to give you all if you're not giving the all, right? So what you want, you put it out and you're going to get it back. They always say, if you give a woman whatever, she's going to multiply it. It is legit true. So if you come with bad vibes, you're going to get it on the double. If you come with good vibes, you get it on the double. Alright, so just take it from me, a woman telling you that this is how it works. That is how a woman brains work. If you not do that, then you will get, you ask for trouble, right? You ask for trouble, you ask for toxicity. I say where it go, I don't even care at this point. But yeah, this is our rant video. I'm a legit can some other video just so I can post this one, because men are not understanding this, right? Let me tell you, I am very, what you call, what's the word again? Oh my god, I don't even remember the word of them call it, but that person who don't talk a lot and them like stay by themselves and themselves there, that is me. Introvert. Yes, I am very introverted. Sometimes, selectively. You know what? I am not introverted. I am very extroverted, but around people that I feel comfortable with and people that I trust. If I don't trust you, I'm going to be very quiet around you. I'm going to be like, yes, okay. And I'm very quiet and very, if me comfortable with you and me trust you, I'm going to be chatting my ass off. No joke about it. Me a chat. I talk a lot to the point where I have to look at me and be like, you can't talk, you know. But I'll talk to you, like me talk to you and whatever. But if I don't trust you and I don't feel comfortable with you, then you're not going to get that side of me. So saying this to say that if you don't build that trust with the woman that you're with, then you're not going to get the full version of her. You're not going to get the side of her that she can feel fully comfortable to let her guard down around you. No, she's going to be always closed off and guarded because she cannot trust you with her emotions. She cannot trust you to take care of her mental. She can't trust you with financial stuff, nothing at all. So men, if you realize that this woman though feminine, she's not submissive, I'm gonna tell you one thing: women are naturally submissive to men. That brings out that submissiveness. Like you see, once she trusts you and she comfortable, you know, you're providing and you're protecting. And when I say providing and protecting, I don't mean purely financial, but that is a part of it. But if you're protecting her mental health and her emotionally and everything like that, then that woman is going to be naturally submissive to you. So if you want a woman to be submissive, provide and protect. It is literally that simple. Literally that simple. So if you're not providing and protecting, but you want nurturing and loving, boy, bye. Boy, bye. Like, go make your mother. Go, like, where you go with that? Where are you going with that? Where you think you're going to get that from? Like, TikTok riled me up. Like, I don't know. I need to come off TikTok. But yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!